Hey, how are you everybody? Shivkumar here from SKH Technical. In today's video, I will be showing you how to edit videos by using your smartphone. So, if you are a YouTuber or you are planning to make YouTube videos in future but you don't have proper PC or a laptop, then this video is definitely going to help you out. In this video, I will be showing you one of the best video application that is available in the Play Store right now. With that being said, make sure you guys watch the video till very end. So, let's get started. Now, if you guys will find this video useful, being to considering subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. Alright guys, the app that I'm talking about is called Filmora Go, and you can download it for totally free from the link given in the description. Once you can open the app, you will be get this kind of interface. Well, I have to say one thing, the whole interface look premium and easy to use as well. To start your editing videos, just tap on the new project icon. And here you will be get all the videos that you have saved in your galleries. After importing all your clips, you can get this layout, where below you have all the such options such like trim, music, text, sticker, filter effects and more. Just select your individual clip and you will be get various options like cut, split, trim. You can reverse your video also, and even you will be get this slider by using which you can easily remove your all unwanted stuff from your videos. Apart from this, I also like how this application offer you more than 5000 non-copyrighted music that you can use in your video also. So now you don't have to waste your time for searching non-copyrighted song. You can easily get them within your video editing software by simply tapping on the music icon. Now, if I talk about transition which play a major role in editing your videos, guys, it has got more than 30 plus transition effect. You get different transition like zoom in, zoom out, motion transition and more. If you are really want to make your videos look more professional, then I will highly recommend it to use the transition in between your clips. All this transition definitely give your videos more cinematic look. Now, like all other video editing apps, you can add text sticker to make your videos look much better. But as I said before, this software is specially made for YouTube creator, so for this reason you get animated subscribe and like button that you can easily add in your videos by just one click. Other than, you also get more than 500 color filters which will help you out to color grade your videos and make it more cinematic. If you want to, you can even purchase paid filter from the Filmora store, but there are some really good free filters that you can use as well. Now, once you finish editing your videos, just tap to the export button on the top right corner and select in which quality you want your video to get export. Guys, it also offer to increase the FPS to make your videos very smooth. So overall, if you are looking for a free video editing application which will help you to edit all your videos, then this is a perfect app for you, which is very easy to use and it has lots of cool feature as well. So definitely try it out from the link given in the description. So guys, that's it for the today video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Do well to consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon that you will never miss any future videos from SKH Technical. So this is Shivkumar signing off, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.